Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Ramon. This is
Julia.
And we're heading out to a friend's farm to see what the farms look like in Mersin. So I'm super excited to make this journey. It's about 48 kilometers from where I live, and we're gonna go through some nice scenery on the way. So I'm psyched. Let's check this out. So I'm on the road, and we're traveling through the mountains, and check out the picturesque scenery that's on the way to this farm. So we finally reached the farm, and we have over here lemon trees, lemons. This is the zeytin tree I was talking to you about, which is the olive tree. And this is the special Spanish olive tree. And these trees don't grow very tall. But as what I've learned so far is they produce more olive oil than the bigger counterparts over here. So this is my friend Utku and his dad, and we're going to have some chai, which is the tea.
Yeah, we're preparing your tea.
Yes, and we're gonna have it right here in the side of the farm. So this whole journey from Teje to the farm, it took us approximately 50 minutes, and a reason for some of the delay was also we were going through some side roads that are very narrow
This is good.
and
Thank
quite dangerous to drive too fast. So
Thank you.
but we're here and we're going to have some fun exploring this farm. So right now we're going to climb up the hill here, and over this side where the little overhangs are, this used to be a armut trees, which is the pear trees, but now according to what I heard, it's being changed to avocado, right?
Yes.
Okay. So avocado in Turkey is a very good fruit to produce because the price point is much more lucrative than lemons or citrus fruits due to the fact that so many people grow those. And
Yeah, because the climate is more suitable. It's a bit subtropical climate here.
yes.
Some parts are cold, especially in the winter time.
Mm-hmm.
But in general, the climate is available for avocado trees.
Perfect, perfect. So now let's go check out the mut, which is the banana.
Don't you feel like you're in the jungle? Yeah.
South America.
South America.
Is it?
So this has a temperature, right? So you have to keep the
Eat me with dinner.
These are the avocado trees.
Oh, okay. Let's check them out.
This is how we produce breeds.
Okay.
This is the wild tree, mother tree. Then it will be the new avocado tree.
So that's the grafting.
Yeah, it's a
Grafting.
grafting. We do grafting here. See?
Okay. Mm.
You can understand that.
So that's why the mother tree
Yeah.
grown one
It
is
will be
grafted.
like this, and the second stage is like that, and the third stage is like that.
Beautiful.
Then when it will grow a bit more, we will plant it.
Mm. Okay.
These things we are going to plant. This is in a greenhouse environment, so here is hotter, and the humidity is higher than the outside. So this is more beneficial for the grafted trees.
Okay.
You can see that these are banana trees. Actually, these are not the banana trees because banana is not a tree.
Mm-hmm.
Banana is 1 year plants. It's like that kind of plants.
Mm-hmm.
So this grows in 9 months. It produces this banana. Then after 2 months, the bananas will grow. When it's green, we harvest it. Then package it and sell it to the merchant or the markets. Then these trees will die. this one will grow, and this one, in a 1 year time, this plant will be like this.
Mm.
So next year, we will do harvest from this tree.
Isn't that amazing?
Yeah.
Wow, I just
It's-
learned something new today.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
So
wow.
this one-
Wow.
This little tree
Right.
will grow and produce banana in 1 year time.
Oh, wow.
That's
So this is
amazing.
the previous banana tree that
This one,
was
the previous one, this
So
one,
what died.
This
Gives
one,
one
and
time.
this one will be the next year.
So
okay.
it only gives one time.
So what we have here is 3 generations. This was the
Yes.
one that just produced.
And this one is the previous years.
Oh, that's for the previous year. Oh, wow. So it's a couple of generations right
Yeah,
here.
you can see the 4 generations now.
Oh, interesting.
Wow.
Wow. This is something definitely new. I didn't know that the bananas went through these stages. So it just basically produces the banana, then it dies,
Yes.
and then a new one grows in its place, and 1 year later, you have a new banana.
The bananas is actually, these plants are full of water.
Mm.
Inside is full of water.
Okay.
That's why it gets rotten
Hollow.
faster.
Yeah.
Mm. Got you. Okay.
We used to have gooses here, by the way, a lot of gooses,
Oh.
and they were eating the dead bananas, and they were providing some fertilizers for the greenhouse. But our dogs, one day they got hungry and they ate them all. Gooses are very wild animals, so you cannot touch them, you cannot reach them. I fed them many years, but still when I approach them, they start attacking me
Oh, God.
because they are wild animals. They cannot be pet.
They're not here, right?
But when they start egging, they got separated and they sit down on the egg for over 70 days. So they get weakened.
Mhm.
That's why they got weak and they were eaten by the dogs.
Mm.
Okay, good.
Sad story for the geese. Okay. Oh, so there's another side door to a different banana section. Wow.
I mean, seriously, I feel like I'm in a jungle.
Yeah. So how long does it? I mean, is it costly to keep the banana plantation alive?
What do you mean?
Like, is it expensive to run this operation like with the banana trees?
Establishment is expensive because this is like you're making a construction here,
Okay.
Yeah.
because it's based on plastic
Mhm.
and based on iron.
Okay.
So it's a bit expensive. It's not
As expensive as a house, but it's like, it gets costly, right? Okay, got you. So the whole frame here is the metal, and then the
by the way,
covering is
these
plastic.
These trees cannot hold. Come here. These trees cannot hold the bananas because this is just 1 year old tree. It's a strong. It's not tree. It's a plant.
Mhm.
It's a strong plant. Yet this is just in a 1 year time. It cannot hold 60, 70 kilos of bananas.
Okay.
That's why we hang it to the seal.
Oh, do you see? It's,
so
so
they-
it's hung from the
Yeah.
right there. You see?
I see. So there's a wire cable
From the
that's
top.
holding the bananas up.
Yes.
Oh, so otherwise the tree will fall down.
When it will be grown up, the neighbors came and they hold it. They cut to the leg,
Mhm.
arm, you can say, and they carry it.
Okay.
Guys, so this is 60 to 70 kilos, which is
You can change
150 pounds.
So that's like a body up there. That's like
We pass through 2 doors
Yes.
because and the plastic doors. Why? Because the greenhouse is steadied on the hill like this, and the warm weather goes to up. We want to prevent it, so we divided the greenhouse 4 to 5 pieces.
Because I feel over here it's a
Yeah,
little
it's
bit
the
cooler.
weather changed. isn't
Yeah.
it?
out of the banana greenhouse, and it was a very informative experience, and I learned a lot about bananas that I never knew before.
And
So,
now we're in the citrus
Now we're gonna
zone.
move into the next portion of the farm,
Uh-huh.
which is the citrus section, and these are the lemons. Now, as far as I know, in Turkey, lemons, a lot of people who have grown lemons, they have stopped picking them because the labor to pick the lemons far outweighs the money that the lemons bring in. So it's very possible in the future that lemon plantations may cease to exist or will be much less than before. And I think eventually, with the scarcity of lemons, then the prices will pick up again. So we're climbing up hills upon hills, and this is a good exercise. So one thing, if you want to be a farmer in Turkey, you have to be in good shape to make sure that you have a good produce.
Another type of citrus.
Okay.
These are mandolins.
Okay.
Different type of mandolin than the regular ones.
Okay.
These are W. Murcots. Is Morocco origin and elaborate in California, I believe, Florida or California. So it's W. Murcot. The tree types is different. The color of tree is a bit different than a normal citrus tree.
This is the little mandarin.
Yeah. This is.
How long it takes for the mandarin to grow?
These trees are 15 years old.
15.
These are 15 years old.
Okay.
But you can get fruits from it in like 3-4 years.
3-4 years. So from the size that I see right now, how long does it take to be fully grown? The mandarin.
The mandarin full grown. This is normally mandolins are ready to harvest on October to December.
Okay.
But these ones you can do your harvest after February.
After February.
You can do the harvest time is very long.
Okay.
For example, you can do harvest on December or you can do harvest on March as well.
Mm.
It's bit you do harvest a bit late.
Okay.
Comparing the other mandolin types.
Mm.
So that's why these are more profitable.
Okay.
Because when the mandolins or the citrus types are out of the market, you will have a type of citrus in your hand.
Mm. Very good to know. This is the mandarin tree we're talking about. 15 years old. Mm. And this produces mandarin for a longer time season than the normal mandarins. It's a different section of the farm. I can see some of the. There's a mandarin, right?
These are the same.
Yeah, the same one you were talking about. There's a mandarin that's already almost grown. So that's what the mandarin looks like when it's fully grown. And these are the little babies. The manure from the goat. Okay.
Why it's good? We can use different kind of fertilizers for the farms, like the mandolins, pears, and the lemons. But goat fertilizer is a specific fertilizer. It's very beneficial for the greenhouse. We use goat fertilizers in the greenhouse. So this one, we just use it for the greenhouse.
Okay.
Not for the other food.
So guys, you heard that. This is the goat shit that they use in the greenhouse for the bananas to produce. I can smell it. Oof! Let me get out of here. The view of the farm from the top.
You can see the valley.
It's the whole valley over there. Oh, it's amazing view. And guys, we are
absolutely stunning.
What?
Yeah, we're on top of this hill, and you can see the valley. And there's mountains behind us.
You are
Definitely my exercise of the day.
Yeah, it was definitely an interesting climb. We went up through almost like a tropical rainforest with the heat and the banana, section of the greenhouse, and then we walked up a hill to the lemons and the limes and the mandarins, and now we're on top of this other section where we're seeing more farmland. So it's like farmland as far as I can see. Interesting.
After the rebellion, the religious people said that the avocado is fruit of sin.
Okay.
So we shouldn't produce it. So they burnt all the avocado trees and avocado farms.
Wow.
That's why Turkey is
behind.
Yeah, behind. Like
But
40-50 years behind.
But what was the reason they said it's a sin?
Because avocado was a fruit of luxury,
Uh-huh.
and they said that this is a fruit of luxury, and they had to put a reason. They said that this is the sex of tree and the crocodile.
Mm. Okay. So they gave it a wrong connotation. I understand. Okay. Wow. I guess. Yeah. It's
But definitely, I have to say, avocado tastes way different here
than
than
in America.
US.
I believe US, avocado in US taste must be better than here.
Not really.
Because,
It's I
you're
cannot say
taking
better.
it from the equatorial area,
Uh-huh.
so it must be better.
To be honest with you, okay.
I like it
So
here. Over here, it's like nutty.
here it tastes like milky, like
Nutty.
more.
This is because of the type. Because there are some types of avocados,
Different types.
they are a bit milky.
Mhm.
And there are a lot of variety of the avocados. These are the avocado trees. Different.
Right there that are growing. So these are the ones we saw kind of in the greenhouse next to the bananas, and now they're being planted. And these are the grafted ones. So it's all over this place here. So how long will it take for the avocado trees to become mature in this place right now, from this size?
We foresee 2 years.
In 2 years' time.
2 years, we are planning to get some products.
Okay. So it's an investment, guys. You know, if anyone wants to open up a farm and you want to plant avocados, you know,
Not
from
that
the...
isn't easy.
It's not an easy job, obviously. You have to be willing to put time, work, sacrifice, and investment.
And love what you do.
Yes, everything must be done with loving care, and then you will see the fruits of your labor.
By the way,
We're picking some of the lemons.
he's gifting us lemons, and Ramon is doing some work to pick some lemons for us as well. How amazing is it to have organic lemons picked straight from the tree? Love, love, love.
So we have like a big sack of lemons that we're going to be attacking very shortly.
We are doing it. These canals, we are doing it to transfer the water because it can rotten these roads. You understand me? It can damage the trees, so
Okay.
it can harm the trees. So we put those belts,
Mhm.
3 piece, inside the
To collect
avocado
it.
farm. We transfer the water to these channels.
Okay.
And under the greenhouse, there is one channel system as well. It directly takes the water to big channel.
Okay.
This is the channel we collect the water.
Okay.
So if the water comes from the hills, we
Mhm.
transfer the water.
It's the natural water?
Then the rainwater.
Rainwater, babe.
Okay. Very interesting. So guys, I hear thunder. And there's a cloud. So this is a sign that maybe we'll be getting rain. Okay.
So we are gonna cut this banana.
Okay. The whole thing?
So basically, we will harvest it. Yeah.
Okay. Let me get Julia.
Now I will hold it,
Mhm.
and I will take it like this, and you will cut it from here.
From that point.
You come here. You can cut it from here.
Okay.
Understand me?
Mhm.
Ramon
this
is
not so
harvesting
difficult.
banana.
When I lay it like this, when you cut it, it will be easy to cut. Okay.
Okay.
Don't let the juice touch your t-shirt. Okay.
It's probably sticky, right?
Can do it the other side. You can try.
Oh shit. Oh my god.
You cut this part now.
We just harvested our first.
Cut this off. You can just
Banana.
break it. Oh my god.
Wow.
This is so
Don't touch
cool.
Don't touch the juice to your t-shirt. Otherwise,
Be careful.
the
The juice.
label doesn't go away.
Okay, got it.
So I guess the juices are very sticky.
Yeah. It's very strong to get off your t-shirt. And here's the special knife that I used to.
The mini machete.
Yeah, maybe machete.
Oh my god.
Wow.
Can you do this? It's gonna rain.
It is raining already. Come on.
So Utku's gonna put this. So how many kilos do you think this is?
We couldn't cut the hole because it's difficult for us to carry now.
Yeah.
But I cut this one, so I believe this one approximately like 30 kilos or something.
30 kilos. Okay.
I believe.
Okay.
Now we are gonna.
Oh, you should just cut them into little sections.
Yes.
Okay, I understand. Oh, okay, so I see when they.
You really surprised me. Let me tell you.
Yeah, wow.
I see the different side of you.
Yes, it is actually.
Huh?
It is a different side of me.
Yeah.
So in the daytime you're in the and weekdays you're in a suit, and then weekend we have
It's a farm.
the different clothing. That's
It is.
very cool.
That should be very like zen, meditating, huh? To just do this.
Wow, look at that.
Ramon, do you think you have it in you?
I could try, like small scale.
Yeah, you can do it. Come.
He's like, you can do it, come on.
Okay, yeah, let me try to cut one branch.
Damn, they bite.
It's not that difficult actually. You just put one here, one here. Just be careful. Don't do too much deep because don't hurt the other ones. Yeah, like this.
Lesson 101.
Like this. Okay, it's enough. And the
How
other
to
side now.
cut the banana over the banana branch.
It's okay.
Nice.
Just push with your hand. Or take it up.
Oh.
Okay, I got my first bunch.
So if you need any help, Ramon is here to help you. You don't need.
Ramon is now
I'm joking.
semi-farmer now.
I know.
Ramon cannot get rid of this easily. Okay, Ramon?
Yeah.
Monday 6 o'clock.
Actually, Ramon has no problem waking up early.
And the bottom.
Look at that, Ramon. Wow.
Okay, I guess I'll finish.
He's got into it. Check him out. The pro. Wow, look at him. Like, you're a good teacher, Utku.
Yeah, my student is good.
Amazing.
Alright guys, I hope you like this video we made of the farm adventure with our friend Utku. And Utku, thank you so much for giving us this
It was a
tour.
pleasure to host you here.
And this is Utku's dad right here. So he's a really cool guy. He really loves his work, and I can see how passionate he is about this farm. So I wish you guys the best of success, and you know, I hope you guys make a lot of money, and I'm happy with everything you're doing. All right, guys, this is Ramon. Until the next time, cheers.